1 Bravo Charlie needs some S turns.
The 1 Bravo Charlie S turn approved.
1 BC. What is that noise?
Oh no.
Airport information Kilo 1652 Zulu weather, wind 340 at 6, visibility 10.
Milwaukee could be cool, we've never been there.
Ceiling 3000 broken, 6000 broken, temperature 26, dew point 20, altimeter 2997, RNAV 33 approaching use, landing and departing runway 33.
We'll have a Brewers game.
Advised ground control of direction
at 7.
Notice airman, runway 1836 closed. Taxiway Charlie was north of runway 9027 and south of taxiway Papa. Taxiway Alpha between taxiway Charlie and taxiway Alpha 2, commissioned and changed to a movement area.
These guys had their hangar door open earlier, a little bit ago. They had like, Aurora ground, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie.
November 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora ground.
771 Bravo Charlie's taxiing out of Skyhaven, looking for a VFR departure to the north. We have Kilo.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, correction. For your choice, the wind 350, for your choice, runway 27 and 33.
27. 1 Bravo Charlie, we'll take 27.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 27 via Alpha, 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks.
And as always, remember, if we're deciding to put it in the field, all your job is to pop that door open, right? Brakes are set.
Pop the door. I'm good at leaving the door open.
Over 9 Charlie Charlie, can turn left runway 18, left on Alpha to parking. Have a good day.
Left 18, left on Alpha, good day. Verify to 9 Charlie Charlie, thank you.
You ready?
Yeah.
Aurora Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is ready to go, runway 27.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, wind 310 at 8, right turn north approved, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, 1 Bravo Charlie.
Alright, fuel pumps are on low, fuel mains, extras to go. Ready, babe?
Ready.
Full power, making full power, good fuel flows, airspeed's alive, 80, 90. Now we're rotate. Tap the brakes. You're coming up. Coming out a blue line. Right turnout. Climbing pretty well. Start slowing up the climb here. Not quite out of the Delta yet. We'll just stay down here below the clouds. We're heading to Milwaukee because we've never been to Milwaukee before. So we had some time.
Chicago approach Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie.
Twin Cessna calling engine Bravo Charlie, say again.
Ow. It's Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Cessna 310 off Aurora northbound 2500, looking for the flight following to Milwaukee Mitchell.
Roger, you're landing at Mitchell?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, Chicago, sedation 17 Tango X-ray 6.5 for 6 with hotel.
17 Tango X-ray Chicago approach, expect the RNAV runway 16 executive, flying 020 vectors to the final.
What?
020 on the heading, expect RNAV 6, thanks, Tango X-ray.
Just verify RNAV 16.
That's cabbage.
I'm sorry, yes,
I just claimed the airplane and now we're going to be down here with the
Bravo
bugs.
Charlie, the midway altimeter 299 5 out of the squawk shortly. Bravo Charlie, squawk 5353.
5353, 1 Bravo Charlie.
Hi, Kevin.
What up?
That was random.
I think it was, somebody might have seen our call sign on the ADSB.
17 Tango X-ray, turn right at 030.
Because it wasn't her.
Right to 030, heading Tango X-ray, thanks.
Roger, there's 771 Bravo Charlie, 771 Bravo Charlie, contact Milwaukee. Approach 135.87. See you later.
3587, we'll see ya.
The 708 Hotel Papa, I show you level at 2,400. What?
Milwaukee approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is with the VFR 2800.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, mark approach, altimeter 2906, where are you parking at on the field?
2906, we're just fixing to get the ATIS now, and don't know, this is our first time there, we're just coming in for a couple of hours, so we're gonna, I'll get right back to you on the FBO.
Roger.
And we're looking to do AV flight.
771 Bravo Charlie, roger, and for now you can expect runway 7 left.
1 Bravo Charlie, 7 left.
Use caution for numerous taxiway closures on the airport.
1 Bravo Charlie, for now flight heading at 010 vector sequence 7 left.
1 Bravo Charlie heading 010 vectors for 7 left.
5. ILS runway 7, right approach
280 Golf Uniform, Milwaukee approach, altimeter 2906.
runway 7, right.
Descend and maintain 5,000.
Departing runway 7, right, 7 left.
280 Golf Uniform, turn left heading at 260 vector northward, max day through 10,000.
Runway 3, when 3 rails out of service. Use caution for numerous taxiway closures on the airport.
280 Golf Uniform, the front 260 on the heading, descend and maintain 5,000, good rate 310.
Bird activity vicinity airport.
Delta 2475, 2500, climbing 5,000. Delta 2475, more.
I don't know if we're ever going to get to the code.
Climb via the SID, except maintain 13000, go straight through 10.
You have information.
10, climb via the SID up to 13000 and direct to the perfect point, Delta 2475. 1 Bravo Charlie, proceed correction, turn right, heading at 050.
0501 Bravo Charlie.
1 Bravo Charlie, keep speed up for me.
1 Bravo Charlie, will go.
Bravo Charlie, Mitchell's about 1 o'clock and 8 miles.
1 Bravo Charlie inside.
1 Bravo Charlie, make straight in runway 7 left, best forward speed as long as practical, contact tower.
7 left, best forward speed, 1 Bravo Charlie, 7 left. I guess it's too late now.
Yeah, I think so.
Tower, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie is with you for 7 left.
Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie, Milwaukee Tower to winds 1306, runway 7 left, clear to land.
7 left, clear to land, 1 Bravo Charlie.
Turn 2 Milwaukee Tower, turn left heading 330, runway 7 left, clear for takeoff.
330, clear for takeoff, Freightliner, 7 left, Freightliner 2.
Wind 1406.
I mean, he like vectored us in so tight.
Hard to make a straight in when you're on a base leg.
That's got to be 7 right, so 7 left is on the other side of the tower.
Either that or that's supposed to be 7 right. No, you're right.
I got the final approach course pulled up here too. We're not on it yet.
You don't have the airport diagram anywhere?
Yeah, I do. I don't have time to. Alright, fuel pumps are on low. Don't see anybody as I'm crossing 7 right. We're way high, way fast. That's what he wanted.
I mean, he's not talking to anybody else, so I don't know why we're supposed to keep it up for.
Maybe. I mean, he was vectoring people in, but... Oh, I'm not keeping it up anymore. We're about to yank and bank here so I can get the gear and flaps down.
I'm guessing everybody else lands on 7 right. I mean, the airliners.
Freightliner 2, connect departure, good flight.
Over departure, see.
1 Bravo Charlie needs some S-turns.
The 1 Bravo Charlie S-turn approved.
1 BC. What is that noise?
Oh no.
Traffic, 12 o'clock.
Wind 1306.
Low, less than 1 mile.
That jet on the taxiway?
Milwaukee Tower, Meridian 77 Bravo Tango with you on the visual, 7 left approach.
Meridian 77 Bravo Tango, Milwaukee Tower to winds 1306, runway 7 left, clear to land.
7 left, clear to land, 7 Bravo Tango.
Tower Unite 571, patch 3300, cleared visual, 7 right.
9571 Milwaukee Tower to winds 1305, runway 7 right.
That was crazy. I've never heard a noise like that in this airplane before. Did you hear that?
I don't even know where it was coming from, but yes, definitely heard it.
1 Bravo Charlie, where are you parking?
1 Bravo Charlie, it's our first time here. We're going to the FBO, the one that's not signature. What's the other one?
F-Light?
That's it.
Yeah, turn left at Foxtrot 2, and is this Thornton?
Yeah, it is.
It's Mo.
Oh, what's up, man?
Welcome, left turn there and connect ground point 8.
Okay, can I do it at the left at the end here?
Yeah, you can go to the end there.
Thank you much. Land ground point 8. We'll see you around.
Oh, I was like that, dude.
Oh, yeah. It's, You still got your 210?
Yeah, I do, but can't get off the runway, traffic's a mile out.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, it's in maintenance right now. I haven't had it for 6 months. Hopefully I'll get it here soon.
Sorry. And we're clear.
Thank you.
No problem, we'll push ground. See ya.
Wow, we got all day to get off the runway, babe. We're right there.
21-8. Ground to Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is clear as 7 left at the end.
Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Milwaukee ground, where you park?
Oh boy, he just asked me and I don't know. It's the one that's not...
something.
Yeah, Av something. It's the one that's not signature.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, very good. Straight ahead Foxtrot, cross runway 1 left, hold short of runway 31.
Straight ahead on Foxtrot, cross 1 left, hold short of 311 Bravo Charlie.
Whoa!
What?
That butterfly just got jacked up by this prop. That was like a big, beautiful orange butterfly.
1 Bravo Charlie, cross runway 31 on Charlie, and then cross runway 31 on Foxtrot, and then continue via Charlie to flight.
Cross 31 at Fox, continue Charlie to flight 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks. This is
yeah, 571, we're clear, 7
so funny because I didn't really do a lot of studying for Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
I thought it was just a little bitty airport.
Kilo Bravo to the ramp.
You thought it was what?
Kilo Bravo,
I thought it was a small airport.
There's so many things that we need to talk about right now. I don't even know where to begin. Oh, man.
Do you like my slam dunk approach?
889.
Yeah, we can. I don't even know what to tell you about that. There's a restaurant right there. Amelia's,
889,
I think is what it says.
Push gate 43 is approved, ATIS Zulu's current.
Yep, we have Zulu and push Delta 43 is approved. Thanks much.
Alright, we're crossing 31. Don't see anybody around here. Then he said Charlie. Charlie. What is it that you want to talk to me about so bad? That was so crazy. It was like the nuclear reactor leak on the Red October. It was like, I'm like, what is going on? My plane never makes that noise. It's not like it's fancy. It doesn't.
It was like, go around. This will never work.
I don't know what was making that noise.
Yeah, I didn't. I can't
I
say
still
that
don't
like
understand
that at all in any what shape or form. I was looking at like thing that was blinking.
This was the only thing I could think of was like, because I pulled the power back so much.
That was lit up. Like the wing walkway was lit up.
That should never be lit up.
I don't know.
Oh, there's that flight.